Here, my dears, what a strong wind, right? Look at here. You can hear the sound of the wind, children? Yes, right. I don't know what will happen here. I'm very much afraid of this environment. Okay, how this happening? How this wind is coming very strongly? Today, in your science class, I'm going to teach you about different types of earth calamities or earth disasters, we have to say like that. Can you hear the sound of the wind? Of course, right. So let's go into our classroom. So students, now I am very sad because in this pandemic situation again calamity or disaster is come. So what is disaster, children? I will show some examples of natural disaster or calamities. Look at the picture, children. Students, you can see large scale of damage all around the city, right? And you know all these damages are not caused by humans, but it's natural. So these all are natural events. Such create widespread damage. Exactly what these damages, children? Because it is not caused by human activities, it is caused by natural itself. So that's why we can call it as a natural calamities. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about different types of natural disasters. Let's take the examples also. Some examples of calamities are earthquake, tsunami, flood, cyclone, etc. like that. These events which damage our property, our lives itself. Okay, so we can call it as a natural disasters. Okay, so in this relevant time, I'm going to teach you about one natural disaster only. Can you guess what I'm going to teach you? Yes, now it is running itself. Do you know what it is? Yes, of course, it is cyclone, right? So, children, what is the cyclone name in Kerala that came just before 2 days? Can you say the name of that cyclone? Okay, you can send me in personal WhatsApp. This is today's topic is also. Okay, so now we can learn about cyclone. How this cyclone is formed, actually what it is cyclone and what are the main effects of cyclone. These all the things we can learn from today's chapter. Students, in my introduction video, you just saw that a strong wind or a violent wind came. Right, strong wind that we called as a cyclone, and it is circular in nature. Okay, cyclone is a circular in nature, like clockwise direction. Okay, it is simply engulfing anything which is coming in this way and it's blowing everything away. That is, we call it as a cyclone. So what exactly cyclone, children? We can say like that, it is a storm or system of wind. Okay, storm or system of wind that rotate about a center and often bring heavy rain. Before 2 days, we feel like that heavy rain, continuous rain throughout 3 days, is it, children? So, it is a type of a cyclone that came into Kerala. Right. Students, cyclone is a general term used by meteorologists to describe any rotating tropical storm. Any rotating tropical storm. Organized cloud originate from water. So, actually, cyclone which is originating from the water. Okay, so do you know? So children, one more topic is for today. That is, can you say the name of movie which came in 1965? That is a Malayalam movie, and in that actually we can see that cyclone inside the sea. Can you identify that old movie? Maybe you don't know, but you have to ask your parents for getting Topic Quiz winner. Okay, I'm going to give one clue also. Yes, look at the picture. Satyan sir and Madhu sir are the actors of that movie. Okay, so let's check it and find out the answer. Okay, so come to the class. Okay, students. So now we learned about the what is cyclone. Understand? Now we can check about how it is formed. Okay, so let's see it. Children, look at the picture. Are you familiar with these words other than cyclones like hurricanes and typhoons? Actually, these also cyclone. Okay, in different places, in different countries, it names like that hurricane or typhoon. Let's check what are they. Hurricane and typhoons. These both are type of an event, natural calamity, but based on the location, name may be vary. Okay, based on the hemisphere, southern and northern hemisphere, we learned already that. Based on the hemisphere, names of strong wind, tropical rotating wind names may be vary. That may be cyclone, hurricane and typhoons. In the southern hemisphere, it's called as cyclone, which is clockwise direction. But in northern hemisphere, it's called as hurricane, which is anti-clockwise direction. So students, now we understand about the cyclone and different names of cyclone, right? Next, we have to check about how this cyclone is formed. When the atmospheric pressure is low over a large water bodies and temperature of water body is more than 26.5 degrees Celsius, then they formed as cyclone. Cyclone is based on the low atmospheric pressure and temperature of our earth. Okay, understand? Then next we have to check about what are the side effects of the cyclone. That we know that, right children? In newspapers and media, news channels, we can see the different types of damages happened all over the India because of cyclone. I don't say the name of what cyclone because I gave the topic, so you have to say. Okay, so because of the cyclone, many damages happened in all over India. Let's check what are the damages with the diagram. Cyclone caused heavy floods, disrupt road, rail and air service, then ships and even human beings also. And it also destroyed many villages and leave many other flooded and cut off from help or escape. And it also destroy crops and cause soil erosion also. And nowadays we can see after the cyclone, waterborne diseases are increased such as cholera, jaundice or typhoid like that. The picture children, this is 18th May today's picture. That is cyclones heavily causes in Maharashtra, Mumbai. That is Indian Gate. You can see the picture. This is today's news. And our Indian Gate also. So we have to follow many precautions to take care of cyclone. Because of that, government gives many alerts to aware about these natural calamities and we have to follow it. And today also in Gujarat and Mumbai also many navy and many people they are coming for to help the society. You can see that today's news. Okay, so it's very important. You have to follow the precaution measures so that you can save yourself from such a disasters. Okay students, so let's see in our next class and check the movie and check the cyclone name in Kerala. Okay, so all should have to read the chapter at least 3 times and we can meet in our next class. Thank you all.